To another video. I'm Kara.
And I'm Skylar.
And today
we're unboxing
squishies
from our mom.
It's coconut oil stress balls. Look,
We're so excited.
it's kind of opened,
But you know.
Okay, first we're gonna do yellow and green. Okay,
This is what it looks in the package.
and this is what it looks in the package.
Look, this is what it looks like without the package.
I
Lincoln.
love it so much. I love you guys. Look, there's
Air
something
bubble?
special with them. Look.
Keeps its air bubble in the shape.
Yeah.
But it doesn't like go back to the shape.
Next color. This
In
is
the package.
In the package.
Wait, let's squeeze it in the package.
Okay. Okay, let's open.
Okay. That's the package.
I love it so
This
much.
one's more colder.
Wait, can I feel? Can you feel mine? It
I
feels
love-
like
this
wet.
is like
Feels good.
it's like so bubbly. Okay, wait.
Okay, that's it for today.
Bye guys.
Bye, Pookies.